Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Linda. Thank you all so much for coming. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make this delicious shrimp. So here are the ingredients we'll be needing for this recipe. We'll be needing some shrimp, some coconut, some flour. So I'll leave the list of ingredients and measurements in the description box as always, so make sure you check it out. Okay, what we're going to be doing now is to mix our dry ingredients. I'm just going to mix all the seasoning, the paprika, the onion powder, the garlic powder. You can also add ginger powder, salt. If you have ginger powder, go ahead and add that. So I'm going to mix it up nicely until it's well combined. So as soon as it's well combined, I'm just going to take it aside and go ahead and mix the coconut and the breadcrumb all together. So in there I have two breadcrumbs. So here is the panco breadcrumb. This is the one you actually need, so because this one gave it this nice crunchy taste, while the other one is a regular breadcrumb. So they are different in color, so you can see that. So mix the breadcrumb to the coconut. So I'm using here unsweetened coconut. Okay, so just mix it and take it aside. So here we have all our ingredients already mixed and assembled. So here I'm just going to season the egg, so with some paprika, some salt, some ginger, some garlic powder, everything you have to season your egg. You need to season it so that it will have more flavor. You know, we need it flavorful. Okay, so when we're done mixing the egg, so we're going to go ahead and start coating or breading the shrimp. So I'm going to dip the shrimp in my already mixed flour, dust the excess flour out, dip it in the egg, then I'm going to add to the mixture of shrimp and breadcrumbs. So just go ahead and mix it and make sure you press it so it sticks together. So you can just go ahead and do this process until you're all done with all your shrimp. So you can as well use the raw shrimp, or you can use the pre-cooked shrimp, so it doesn't really matter. So depending on the shrimp you have. And when you are making your flour mixture, make sure you give it a taste. You want to taste the flour, so you know that all the ingredients, all the flavor, they are all in there. So now when I'm done coating the shrimp, I'm going to put it in the freezer to chill for about 10 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to heat up my oil. Then I'm going to add the shrimp and fry it, or you can deep fry it, or you can pan fry it, whichever one you want, you can do so. So at this point, make sure your stove is not on high, so because you don't want the coconut to start getting burnt. So make sure it's not on high, just leave it on a medium heat. Then when you take the first batch out, it's your oil will the temperature is going to drop down. So make sure before you put the second batch, you allow the oil to get hot a bit before putting the second batch. So once it's nice and golden brown, it's ready. Just take it out and line it up in a paper towel so it drains the excess oil. Then you can also go ahead and get your sieve and take out the coconut, the pieces of coconut in the oil, so you don't want the pieces to start getting burnt and stick to the fresh coconut that you're going to add to it. So I'm just going to repeat this process one more time. Fry your coconut until it's nice and golden brown. So when it's nice and golden brown, you take it off from the hot oil and place it on a paper towel so it drains out the excess oil, and your fried shrimp is ready, guys. This shrimp recipe, it's super good. It's so delicious. Like, I can tell you how delicious this tastes. Look at that. So I'm just going to enjoy this with some mayo sauce. So this is the sauce that I use. It's super good. It's basically some mayonnaise, some paprika, and some cayenne pepper. I love spicy stuff, so I just added just a tiny bit of cayenne pepper. Okay, so that's the sauce I'm going to be using for this to enjoy this shrimp. Please guys, make sure you try it out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at Rolinda TV. If you try this this recipe, make sure you tag me on Instagram. Okay, look at that yumminess. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.